Hey guys, welcome back to Supersonic Learning. This is a question 3 from a specimen paper of ICSE Class 10th. Define a class with the following specifications. Class name bank, member variables, double P that store the principal amount, double N stores the time period in years, double R stores the rate of interest, double A stores the amount, member methods, void accept, input values for P and N using scanner class method. Void accept calculate the amount based on the following conditions: time in years, rate up to 0.5 or 1.1 by 2, there will be a 9% rate, greater than 1 by 2 to smaller than equal to 1 year, there will be 10% rate, greater than 1 year and smaller than equal to 3 years, there will be a 11% rate, greater than 3 years, there will be a 12%. This formula is used for the calculation of amount, that is A equal to P whole bracket 1 plus R by 100 to the whole power n, and you have already studied this formula in your class 9th mathematics. Void display function, we will have to display the principal amount, time, rate, amount, just like this. This is a given template. Write the main method to create an object and call the above function. Now I am going to show the live preview of our program, that is bank. Firstly we will import our package, that is import java dot util dot asterisk class bank. After making class we will have define member variable. First member variable will be double P store the principal amount, double and store the time period in years, double R store the rate, double A store the amount, that will be calculated through formula. After our four member variable we will have our member method. After our four member variable we will have member method. First member method is void accept. Void accept, there is no return type of this method. In this method we will have to expect in void accept method we will have to accept principal amount and the time period and from the user, that is n. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in system dot out dot print len enter the principal amount, that is p equal to sc dot next int system dot out dot println enter the time period that will be stored in our n equal to sc dot next int, and after that our second member method will be void calculate. In this method we will calculate the rate of the our second member method is void calculate. We will calculate our rate corresponding to the time period. If n is smaller than or equal to 0.5, our rate equal to 9%. Else if our rate is greater than 0.5 and smaller than 1, our rate will be 10%, and greater than 0.5 and n is smaller than 1, our rate equal to 10%. Else if n greater than 1 and n is smaller than equal to 3, our rate equal to 11%. Else else our rate will be 12% above the 3 year. Else r equal to 12%. After finding the rate, we will find our amount. After after the calculation of the rate, we will find our amount. A equal to p into math dot power 1 1 plus r by 100. Our third member method is void display. In this method, we will display our output with the help of formatting also according to the question. System dot out dot print ln principal. After that, we will use the escape sequence \t to give the space \t plus time period, time. After that, black slash t. After that, rate, black slash t, amount, system dot out dot println. We will print our principal amount, that is p. Dot println p plus black slash t plus n plus plus r plus black slash t plus a. At the end of all the member method, we will made our main method. At the end of all the member method, we will made our main method, that is public static void main. Inside the main method, we will make the object of the class bank obj equal to new void display one by one.